Let's talk about a billionaire who decided to make some deals in the Middle East. No, it's not about booking a hotel or anything like that, though a 7-star resort is never a bad idea. The idea is to raise a good amount for Xai, new artificial intelligence startup. Want to know who's on the other end of the line? Keep watching and I'll explain shortly. Here I am, Elon Musk, trying to double the value of Xai to about $45 billion. To do this, I'm in touch with some of the biggest funds in the Middle East, the Qatar Investment Authority, and the Saudi Sovereign Fund, the Public Investment Fund. These groups are already old acquaintances of mine. After all, folks from Qatar helped me with the acquisition of Twitter, or rather, X as I prefer to call it. I think they like my let's see what happens style, or maybe it's just the charm of technology. You might be wondering, but Elon, what about that issue in 2018 with the Saudis, when you tried to take Tesla private? That's right, we had some friction then. Let's say I was a bit too optimistic, but time passes. Relationships evolve. I participated in the Future Investment Initiative event hosted by the Saudi government, and I took the opportunity to strengthen ties. It seems that the resentments are in the past. Now it's time to focus on new investments and leave the problems behind. And hoping I won't need a new tweet to sort everything out, we're still in the early stages of negotiations, but the possibility of doubling the value of Xai is quite real. The company is young, just 1 year old, but it has already attracted good investors like Sequoia Capital and Valor Equity Partners in the latest funding round. The expectation now is that the valuation will reach around $45 billion, almost hitting the level of the giants in artificial intelligence. To start off, would say we're doing really well. It seems that creating startups has become my hobby. Some people collect stamps, collect valuations. Interest in artificial intelligence keeps growing, especially after OpenAI launched ChatGPT in 2022. This boosted the sector, attracting many investors and increasing capital for AI startups. Companies like Grok, which has ambitious plans to create a large data center in Saudi Arabia, are also paying attention to the region's potential. It seems that the Middle East has become the right place for those looking to explore the AI market. Of course, that I'm competing with ChatGPT. Okay, be a little. While the race for partnerships with chip manufacturers and cloud providers is in full swing, Xai is taking advantage of this valuation. The goal is to stand out in a highly competitive market and, who knows, get close to the numbers of OpenAI, which reached a valuation of $150 billion. It won't be easy, of course. After all, competing with companies of that size is like a space race, and we all know who won the first one, right? Spoiler, it was me. And don't think I'm only focused on AI. I also have a significant role in US politics. I'm supporting the campaign of you-know-who, and using the X network to amplify certain messages. At the Saudi event, mentioned that I'm playing a significant role in the 2024 elections. But let's face it, it's nothing I'm not already used to. I've piloted rockets, electric car companies, social networks. Why not lend a hand in politics too? I would say that politics is almost as complicated as rockets, just with more tweets. Now, getting back to my goal of doubling the value of Xai, do you think those Middle Eastern investors will jump on board with me? I'll leave the question hanging. And if it doesn't work out, you can always launch a rocket over there and negotiate in person, right? What do you all think? Comment down below and I, Elon Musk, will respond.